What is going on, you guys? Lyrics are 1999 on YouTube. For today, I know I haven't finished this place. I decided we were going to do one room at a time. So, first things first was, well, getting rid of the junk. And also, me putting in some new floors, because clearly we have some pretty bad floors. And they're in pretty bad shape. And don't worry, we have new floors now. If I can get this to work. Got some new windows. What do I need to clean in here? I don't see anything. It's telling me to do the bathroom now. See, okay. Let's get some paint. Because I am not liking this carpet one bit. I'm not a fan of it. And it needs to go. So, that's what we're going to do. Plus, it makes the room brighter and all that. Now, you're probably asking yourself, should I tear down this wall? I could, but I'm not sure if I should, because right now, it would make it more open, but, well, if I do that, would that devalue this? You know what? And it actually looks a lot better like this. I like it. Now that I made this all wide open, thanks to, well, I don't know, me thinking, let's do that. It does make this a way nicer and way more open. And, well, I mean, yes, that little room was cute and all, but I'm going to be honest. It just made it kind of small and useless. Now, let's do some more painting. And luckily, I got my old recliner with sitting on. So now I can, as I film. Now, yes, usually I do use headphones. Right now, my headphones gotta get repaired. Unfortunately, because of, me. Because I screwed them up. But don't worry, I'll have headphones soon. And yes, we're changing that window. Because it needed to go. And yeah, I'm going to put in probably this plain black curtains, probably, because it's the only thing that would make sense. I would try to put a curtain here, but problem is, unless, can I actually move this door? No, I can't. I don't think I can. I mean, I could take it out, but it would not be the best idea. So, now you're probably going to ask, what am I going to do for the kitchen? That I will probably do in another episode, because I kind of wanted to do at least get one room done. Even though I kind of made this now all one room. I actually am curious to see what's this even worth. Not bad. I had to put that in the wrong spot. But I do need to change this ugly light, rusted out light. And I usually do like rust, but right now I want something kind of 1960s. In other words, I guess you could say I'd like to live eventually into basically imagining if I had a house where everything was all basically original, down to its own original furnace and kitchen and appliances. Now that would be hard to come by, but I'll laugh if I ever find one like that. That's just a dream. I don't know if that ever will happen to me, but who knows. Kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. Next episode will probably be in here, and this is going to be a major mess. It's in rough shape. So this one will be the next episode. Kind of hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That's when you know when I upload. And we'll see you all in the next one.